Hey, Danny Ray with Pinnacle Quote Life Insurance Specialist. Just wanted to touch base with you guys. It's October 13th, about 7:30 at night on a Friday the 13th, actually. Just want to talk about something a client asked me today about rating agencies and stuff like that. I primarily only think, or any one, there's only one valid to me anyway. It's AMBest, which is by far the best rating company out there. You guys heard me speak about the other rating companies in my previous videos. But again, AMBest is by far probably the most valuable resource for anyone that's looking into getting life insurance and wanting to make sure that they have a reputable carrier that's got financial stability. Okay, choosing a life insurance company again is very important decision that you're gonna have to make sure your family's protected. And again, you don't want to be getting life insurance with a company that's not reputable. Okay, remember, you die, you want to make sure that they cut a check. They got financial stability. Okay, and again, working with you want to make sure you're working with the best. Now, again, here at Pinnacle Quote, okay, we only deal with the best, the creams of the crops, the best of the best. Okay, the top 1% of the carriers out there. Okay, now a rating agency like AM Best, okay, basically can point you in the right direction. Okay, along with us here at Pinnacle Quote. Again, they give you the idea of the general idea of the most valuable, reliable companies out there. Okay, again, A plus rated carriers are by far the best carriers out there. And I'll brush a little bit on the rating system in a couple of seconds. But again, if you're buying life insurance, I cannot stress it enough. You want to make sure it's an A or A plus rated carrier with AM Best. Okay, there's a handful of other rating companies out there, but again, I only hold one accountable. Okay, as far as validity, that's valid to me, and that's AM Best. Now, again, before reading the ratings, let me just talk to you about a little bit about how the rating system works. Okay, again, you should understand the rating scale before buying any life insurance company. Okay, or a life insurance policy through a carrier. Okay, now again, going into this now, I'm going to go through D, C, B, and A. Okay, and again, here at Pinnacle Quote, we only do business with A carriers. That's it. Okay, if you're a B, C, or D carrier, hit the road. We're not going to do business with you. I will not go ahead and build relationships with my clients based off a B, C, and D company. Okay, but this is the ratings that you should be very well aware of. If it's a D-rated company, this means stay away, run away, don't go near it. Pretend like it doesn't even exist. Okay, this is the worst rating by AM Best. Okay, AM Best, when it comes to D-rated companies, okay, they don't even have the minimal standards for providing quality life insurance. Not even the minimal standards. Okay, in my opinion, they're pretty much a scam. Okay, D-rated companies. Okay, C plus, C-rated companies. Um, they're falling behind the pack. These are C ratings are given out to ordinary life insurance companies that simply meet minimal standards. I mean, literally teetering to a D. All right, B minus, B plus companies with AM Best is any insurance company, basically any insurance company with a B rating. Okay, they've pretty much proven themselves to be pretty reliable. All right, their features are likely a bit above average. Okay, however, they aren't quite the most recommended companies. And then again, now there's the A plus rated carriers that Pinnacle Quote only represents. All right, any A graded carrier out there is the best company in the industry. Okay, now again, we have relationships here at Pinnacle Quote with over 50 of them, A plus rated carriers. Now again, every niche, every milk and cranny, every carrier out there that looks at you in certain ways, we have a specialty for that. And again, we know the underwriting guidelines to every one of these carriers that we represent. Okay, so again, A-rated carriers are by far the highest quality life insurance company. All right, now life insurance companies, obviously look at you differently. All right, and the rates vary drastically between companies. Now, as does customer service and policy features and overall quality of coverage. Okay, we always recommend that you compare several life insurance companies. Now, here at Pinnacle Quote, we have a very strict criteria for us to even offer a company. Rating is great and all. That's only one part of it. All right, they must have been around for decades. Okay, most of our carriers have been around, 50 to 120 years. All right, now they all have to have at least $100 billion of insurance in force. Okay, because anything with 100 billion or more is huge, big company. Okay, also an A rating or A plus rating with AMBest. Okay, but again, they have to have a perfect track record for writing death claims. If one of our carriers does not write a valid death claim, we kick them to the curb. We don't do business with them. Okay. Again, I'm not going to put my clients in a position where if their loved one dies, if they're paying years of premiums, to not be in a position not getting paid, that's going to make me very, very upset. Okay. Now, again, AMBest is just one of the many rating companies, and I'll reiterate like I've done in other videos. Okay. But they've established themselves as the most accurate, reliable. Okay, they've been around since the 1890s. Okay, and they've been doing the same thing since then. The superior rating. Okay, and they're absolutely fantastic assessing financial stability in companies. Okay, now the other companies, I'm not going to mention them, but again, the best analogy I could use is AMBest is a 5-star restaurant. Okay, all the rest of them got a drive-through window with a dollar menu. Okay, that's as far as I'm concerned. Okay, so again, AMBest does ratings for companies all over the globe, not just the United States. We highly recommend using this kind of a resource when you're shopping for life insurance or you're trying to find the best rate. But again, here at Pinnacle Quote, we do that all for you. Okay, every company we bring to the table has an A or A plus rated with AMBest. Every single one of them. All right, so that should give you some form of comfortability that we bring to what we bring to the table. Okay, and then when I go ahead and I tell you I get you the best price, best carry based on your profile, it's because we have access to over 50 carriers. Okay, that have all those products. So again, we get to go ahead and tailor make you a policy based on all those products. Okay, so with that said, that's my little input on AMBest. Again, they're the best. They're by far the superior rating organization in the country as far as life insurance or any company in that matter. All right, so if you have any questions upon this, feel free to give me a buzz at 855-380-3300. You can also reach us on the web at pinnaclequote.com, and you can also schedule an appointment to speak. But again, there's also our quoting tool to get a quote, an instant quote online. You can literally get a quote in less than 10 seconds. Less than a few minutes. Okay, and they're accurate quotes. Okay, and then that information will come back to me, and then we can schedule time to speak if you want to move forward to make sure you are paying the best price you're getting the best service, the best price policy, and the highest rated carrier, which is really the most important thing to do. And that's going to save you thousands of dollars over the period of the term. So again, if you have any questions, give me a buzz, and have a great weekend. And hey, our blog and new website's going to be launched over the weekend. I'm very, very excited about it, and I think you are going to be too. All right, so we guys wish you guys the best.